Okay, I'm going to tell you about this working of water pump. Look at this. This is a simple representation of water pump. Here, the body of water pump consists of a long tube which is called barrel, and it is connected to underground pipe. This underground pipe. This is outlet for water. Okay. Now there is a piston inside this barrel which is in close contact with the inner wall of the barrel and can move up and down. This is piston, and this piston is connected to a handle. Let's say this is handle. Now there are two valves in this water pump. One is at this place at the tip of the piston, and another is at this place which is in between this barrel and underground pipe. Now this is barrel and this is piston. Now I'm going to tell you the working of this water pump by the help of two diagrams. This is the first diagram. In this diagram, let's say this handle is pulled up. This handle is pulled up. When handle is pulled up, then the piston goes down. This is called the downstroke. This is called downstroke. At this time, what happens? The water contained in this part, I mean to say, in this barrel, is pressed, and here volume is decreased. Because of the decreased volume, pressure increases, and because of the pressure, increased pressure, the valve which is placed at this place opens, and water enters in this region and it comes to this place. But at the same time, the valve which is placed between this barrel and underground pipe at this place, it remains closed because of the water pressure. Because the pressure inside this in between this piston and barrel, I mean to say in between these two valves is high. Pressure is high and valve cannot open in this side downward. So this valve remains closed, this valve opens and water comes up. Now in next diagram I am going to make another diagram. Look at this. What I am doing here, now handle is not pushed up. Previously it was pushed up, now it is pushed down. This is outlet for water and this is piston. In this diagram I moved piston up because handle is moved downward. Let's say when handle is moved down, then what happens? Then piston moves up. This is called upstroke. Previous was downstroke. This is upstroke. And at this time what happens? Piston moves up. When handle goes down, piston moves up. The volume of this part is increased. That's why pressure in this part decreases. Because of the decreased pressure, this valve opens and water enters into this region. But because of decreased pressure, water which was previously present above this piston, I mean to say at this in this region, because of the pressure of this water, this valve remains closed. This way, piston pulls water in the upward direction and it comes out from outlet. Look at this is the function. Now I want to tell you very shortly again. Look at this. In first case, there is downstroke because when handle is pushed up, then piston moves down. This is downstroke. At this time, the pressure in this region increases because volume is decreased. Because of increased pressure, water tends to go up and it tends to go down also, but valve cannot open in the downward direction. It opens in the upward direction, and that's why opening this valve, this we can say this valve is A, this valve is B. Opening the valve A, it comes up, water rises up. But in up stroke, what happens when handle is pulled down, piston moves up. At this time, when piston is moved up, this volume increased in this region, and because of the increased volume, pressure decreases, and so water tends to enter into this region from this side also, from underground pipe also. But this valve cannot open because of the water pressure, because valve is one-sided, but this valve opens because of water pressure and water enters into this region, and this piston pulls water and it comes out through water outlet. This way a water pump works.